It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is the brainy and brawny tool you need when your office is what you drive. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, Ecotec 3 engine, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, trailer hitch receiver, shocks, and Apple CarPlay Android Auto allows you to use apps from your phone through your vehicle's infotainment system. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Burt Watson's offers a quick and hassle-free buying experience. We are conveniently located in the Michigan area at 7468 Midland Road.